going on, you guys? Right now I'm at Target by myself, just hanging around, waiting for a bunch of my buddies that are about to be showing up in a few minutes. We're gonna be heading to a car meet. It's gonna be a bunch of us Mustangs. So I'm just chilling right now, just waiting for my friends. And there's Ivan, of course, always showing up when I start recording.
I thought we never make it. I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it.
So I think the two.
I thought we never make it. I used to feel so. Now we don't know. I used to feel so.
Done to it. I just have the course.
What's up, man?
Alright.
You excited to be out here? I'm kind of, well, the meet was originally supposed to be at another spot, but there's a bunch of dumbasses that do revving and burnouts and stuff, so the cops aren't letting us be there.
Bottles everywhere.
Yeah, they have beer bottles everywhere. But I got something new. Check it out. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Yeah, I take it back. I like his wheels. I thought it was a 5-spokes. This is like the 5-spoke with like 2 on the outside. It's like 2 per spoke. So it looks pretty cool.
I dig this badge though, dude. You don't like the black badge? Hey Juan, you don't like the black badge?
Yeah, but not on my car.
I like it on that. On your car, the gray? I love it on the gray, dude.
It's because I'm trying to keep the front. Well, maybe once I take off the front grille and
Dude,
take off the
I love it with
then
like
I
the
can
red
take off
dot
the
and everything. That's super sick. Dang. Look at Mr. Ivan out here with his new car parts. That's super sick, dude. I will get some pictures. I'll get some pictures.
The stupid ass on YouTube is like, these lads give me so much horsepower.
Oh, the typical.
This is how you save a parking spot?
Yeah.
Should I call it cops? Dude, those lights, I can't get over them. That's too sick.
Like I told him before you even did that, he's gonna take it off.
No, I wouldn't. No, I know you.
Oh, is it a snow cone? Get a snow cone.
That's what I said.
Oh, dude, I love Subarus.
Bro, honestly, if once I am done paying off my car, I'm gonna get a Subaru.
I would, dude,
When
I
I
would
get older.
love having an
That's the only
STI.
other car that I would.
Yeah, me too, honestly.
I promise you, when I make PD, I'm gonna come to these meets and I'm just gonna walk around with y'all. I'll let y'all know whenever all the cops are gonna be done.
Evo?
I've recorded the same.
Oh. Dude, I love those cars.
I want to get a splitter now. That shit looks nice. It's gonna break down, bro. It's gonna break down. I was trying.
The niche.
Hey,
yeah.
Nope.
SF. This is what a Texas car meet looks like, huh, Ivan? Look at this.
You know, I have
I can't even.
a life that I want
Like,
to get to.
if this guy in the middle wanted to get out, he wouldn't be able to. Like, what if his mom was like dying or something? He has to get out. How long would that take? That's what I'm saying. I dig these wheels. I dig them. Dang. Look, flexing on you. This one's sick.
Hey, see?
That's a sick badge, dude.
I know you're joking.
There it goes.
I heard you wanted to race it.
Dang, dude.
Probably beat me.
There it is. Bumper to bumper in here, man. 5.0, oh my gosh. So one of my managers, he brought his '69 Camaro.
He's the owner of the.
What, AJ? What?
When did you park him, Matt?
I moved there right now. I got some new wheels while I'm at it too.
Your name is Bennett?
It could be whatever you want it to be. That's my manager right there in his badass Camaro.
How are you, man?
You good? Sounds mean. Dang, man. Look at how big those tires are. How you doing, man? Matt.
Yeah, that's my buddy. He's the one that's got them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, so you got this and the jet?
Yeah. I need 350.
Oh, dang. Yeah, I saw you pull in right now. I was like, oh, that's probably Raul in the Camaro.
Yeah, hell yeah. They should have had it at the other place, man.
Yeah, but the cops didn't want it there.
Yeah. That's just cool.
Look at everybody's coming to look. Stingray. Oh, dude, I love. What kind of BMW is this? Oh, it's an M3?
For the vlog.
Huh?
For the vlog.
For the vlog, man. You want to say hi? Say hi, man. Dude, say hi. Come on.
Dude, I'm waiting for you.
Ivan, should we do this to our cars? Should.
You won't be able to make a right turn.
You excited to see the Type R?
Not really. I mean, still civic.
Oh, you're a dick. Dude, but honestly, it's a super sick car. So, oh shit. Hey, stop bumping into me, homie.
Bro, I'm sorry.
Oh, the cops are here? Where? Cops. Oh! No! Yo, this guy's about to get towed. Yeah, they're towing it. That's fucked up, huh? Towing this guy's car.
Why?
I have no clue. Repo? You gonna tow them all? Nah, fuck that, bro. I'm gonna go.
Yo, hey, you pulled it. Don't touch the car. Alright, don't touch the car. It's his car. It's already hooked. Okay? Hey, hey. We need to move. We need to move. Get out of your car. It's already hooked.
Yeah, where's the company at? What company is this?
What company?
You could be stealing the car, for all we know.
Hey, get out of here, bro. Get out of here. Oh my god. Yo, they were gonna tow his car and he drove off the thing. This guy. This dip. I don't want to get towed. Let's go. I ain't getting towed. I'm out of here. So this place is getting cleared the hell out. Everybody's just dipping, man. Nobody wants to get towed. That went to shit real quick. Juan, rev it.
Backed up so fast, nobody was like, hey, they're towing that car. Hey, the car's getting towed. Hey, whose car is this? Everybody.
The owner was like nowhere to be found.
I was like,
We're at Sonic.
Nowhere.
No one got towed? Nobody. Oh shit. Damn, we got a lot of cars here, dude. So I hope you guys found that entertaining. I hope that was entertaining somewhat because it was kind of stale. David, come here. The video was kind of stale at first. It was like, all right, there's cool cars. This is a regular YouTube video. No, and then the tow truck showed up, and then things
that I saw was Corey, so I was like, oh.
What, dude? What? At Call Me Matt. Subscribe. Let's see it one more time for the video. One more time. Let us see it, big guy. Dude, I love that shit. That's so cool. Wish they made something like that for my car. But nothing will beat these tail lights. Nothing. Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
Honestly, these are probably like the best two minutes.
No, they are the best. What did you think of that guy getting towed? Dang, look, this guy put $70 bucks.
Oh shit.
It's probably backwards. $70 fucking dollars, dude.
I think they even dripped some.
Dripped? No, I think it's from up here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It started off kind of slow, but I think that part where the guy got towed is pretty awesome. So hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I see the empty dreams race across the sky.